Hello friends! It's me, Smartie the Alpaca. Christmas time is almost here, and do you know what makes it even more magical? Decorating your Christmas tree with ornaments you made all by yourself. Today, I'm going to show you 10 amazing Christmas crafts you can make at home, at school, with your family, or even with your friends in class. And the best part, these decorations are all DIY, do it yourself, which means you get to choose the colors, the glitter, the shapes, and make them totally your own. Ready to craft? Let's go! 1. Dried fruit ornaments. You'll need fruit slices, string, baking paper, adult help. Our first craft looks beautiful and smells super yummy, but don't eat it. Ask an adult to slice a lemon, orange, or apple into thin circles. Place them on a heater or ask an adult to dry them in the oven. When they're fully dry, poke a tiny hole at the top. Add a piece of string. Hang them on your tree for a cozy, old-fashioned Christmas vibe. It smells like winter. 2. Colorful paper chains. You'll need colored paper, scissors, glue. Time to add some color. Let's make a paper chain. Cut colored paper into long strips. Glue the first strip into a loop. Slide the next strip through and glue. Keep looping and gluing. Wrap it around your tree or your whole room. It's like making a rainbow snake. 3. Printable ornaments, free download. You'll need printed sheets, scissors, crayons, glitter, optional, string. Want something quick and fun? I added printable ornaments in the description. Ask an adult to print the sheet. Cut out the shapes. Color them beautifully. Add glitter or stickers. Punch a hole, add string, and hang them. You can even make me sparkle. Alpacas love glitter. 4. Wool angels. You'll need white wool or yarn, small beads or paper circle, glue. Wrap wool around your hand about 30 times. Slide it off carefully. Tie a piece of yarn near the top to make the angel's head. Cut the loops at the bottom so the angel has a soft, flowing dress. Tie another piece lower to create the body. Cut a small bundle of yarn for wings and glue them to the back. Add a bead or draw a tiny face. They look like fluffy snow angels. 5. Gingerbread ornaments. You'll need gingerbread dough, adult makes it, cookie cutters, string. Ask an adult to prepare gingerbread dough. Roll the dough flat and press cookie cutters into it. Use a straw to make a hole at the top. Bake with an adult's help. When cool, decorate with icing. Add a string and hang them up. They smell delicious, but these are for decorating, not eating. 6. Pinecone decorations. You'll need pine cones, paint, glitter, ribbon. Find some pine cones outside. Shake them to remove dust. Paint the tips white, gold, or silver. Add glitter for extra sparkle. Tie a ribbon on top and hang them on the tree. It's like turning nature into Christmas treasure. 7. Bottle cap snowmen. You'll need 3 white bottle caps, glue, markers, ribbon. Don't throw away bottle caps. Let's turn them into snowmen. Glue 3 white bottle caps in a row. Draw a face and buttons. Add a ribbon scarf. Glue string to the top. This one always makes me smile. 8. Popsicle stick stars. You'll need popsicle sticks, glue, paint, glitter. Lay out 5 sticks in a star shape. Glue the ends where they touch. Let it dry completely. Paint the star gold, white, or red. Add glitter or buttons. Attach a string to hang it. Shiny, sparkly star. 9. Salt dough ornaments. You'll need salt, flour, water, cookie cutters, string. Mix 1 cup salt, 2 cups flour, plus 1 cup water to make dough. Roll it flat. Use cookie cutters to make shapes. Make a hole at the top with a straw. Dry in the oven on low heat, adults only. When cool, paint and decorate. Add string, done. These last forever, like Christmas memories. 10. Pom-pom baubles. You'll need yarn, fork or pom-pom maker, scissors. Wrap yarn around a fork many times. Tie it tightly in the center with another piece of yarn. Cut the loops and fluff into a pom-pom. Slide it off the fork. Add a loop of yarn to hang it. They look fluffy like little snowballs. It's like making tiny alpaca fluff balls. You did it! Your Christmas tree is going to look amazing. Are you ready? Because now, it's song time. Let's sing our Christmas crafting song together.
Grab your paper, glue and string. It's time to make some everything. Little stars and shiny things. Crafting joy that Christmas brings. Let's get crafting, Christmas crafting. Make your tree look bright and new. Cut and color, stick together. Holiday fun for me and you. Oranges drying, garlands flying. Snowmen made from bottle caps. Pinecone sparkling, angels twirling. Crafting time is where it's at. Let's get crafting, Christmas crafting. Make your tree look bright and new. Cut and color, stick together. Holiday fun for me and you. Decorate with love and cheer. Handmade magic every year.
Don't forget, you can download your free printable ornaments in the description below. If you liked today's crafts, tap like, subscribe, and share with a friend. See you next time, and happy crafting, my jolly little elves!